In today's video, I am going to teach you how to slice a text in Canva. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design or opening an existing one. Add a text box to the canvas and type your word or phrase. Pick a bold, heavy font so the slice reads clearly. Thicker letter forms make the effect much more striking. Increase the font size until the text takes up a prominent space on the page and center it. Give yourself generous margins around the edges so you have room to crop and nudge without anything getting clipped. Next, turn this text into an image. Open the Download menu, choose PNG and enable transparent background. This ensures you are working with clean letter shapes and no unwanted box around them. Download the page and save it to your computer. Now, re-upload that PNG into Canva. Drag it into the Uploads panel, then drop it on your canvas and position it exactly where you want the final text to live. With the image selected, duplicate it so you have two identical copies. You can use the duplicate button or a quick keyboard shortcut. Make sure the duplicate sits directly on top of the original. Use Canva's snap guides or the position controls to line them up perfectly. Precise stacking is key because we're about to split them into halves. Select the bottom image first. Open the crop controls and drag the bottom crop handle upward until only the top half of the text remains visible. Apply the crop, then select the top image and crop it from the top downward so only the bottom half of the text remains. When you are finished, the word should look unchanged at a glance. But it's actually two separate pieces occupying the same spot. To create the slice effect, gently move the top half. You can nudge it slightly upward, downward, or add a tiny rotation to introduce a diagonal split. Small moves work best. Think subtle and intentional rather than dramatic. Use the arrow keys for precision. Holding Shift gives you larger steps if you need them. Zoom in for fine control. And watch the spacing between halves so the gap looks even across the word. If a letter's curve or angle makes the split look uneven, adjust by a few pixels until it feels balanced and readable. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.